Hello! Today's video is about how Gandhiji's face came to be featured on the Indian currency notes. Right after independence, RBI continued to issue notes from the colonial era with the pictures of King George VI. In 1949, Government of India introduced a new 1 rupee note where King George's picture was replaced by the Ashoka pillar of Sarnath. Continuity was maintained when banknotes in denominations of rupees 2, 5, 10 and 100 were released, featuring the lion capital. Later on, even motifs of Thanjavur Temple and Gateway of India made it to the currency notes. India's progress in the later decades in the field of science and technology was showcased with images of the satellite Aryabhatta. And even advancements in the field of agriculture were portrayed with the images of farm mechanization making it to the currency notes. Gandhiji's debut on the Indian currency happened in the year 1969. 1969 being a special year because it marked the 100th birth anniversary of the father of our nation. Notes were issued featuring Gandhi alongside the Sevagram Ashram. Later on, in October 1987, a series of 500 rupee currency notes were introduced, which also featured Gandhiji. Do you know? The image of Gandhiji, which is used on our currency notes, is actually a cutout from 1946 picture featuring him alongside the British politician Lord Frederick William Pethick Lawrence. Why was this particular photograph chosen? Simply because of its ideal depiction of Gandhiji's smiling face. In the 1990s, RBI realized the need for enhanced security features because there were technological advancements in printing and reproduction of currency notes. They found that a human face was less susceptible to forgery in comparison to the inanimate objects. Due to Mahatma Gandhi's national appeal, his face was the ideal choice for the new currency notes with enhanced security features which were issued in 1996, replacing all the other olden notes. Over the years, there have been demands for inclusion of other personalities like Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore and former President APJ Abdul Kalam. However, Indian authorities have upheld Gandhi's representation, considering him the most fitting embodiment of Indian ethos. Our currency notes now have watermark, a windowed security threads, latent image and intaglio features for the visually handicapped. Learn something new? Subscribe for more.